glory of the Empire never fades.
I'm destined to guard the forest.
Energy blast!
Keep it up. I'm sorry. We meant you no harm.
Energy blast! Meet your end!
You can't get away. Keep it up. I'm sorry.
The knight fights till the last.
Keep it up. You can't get away.
Time to shine! Victory favors brave heroes like me.
The glory of the Empire never fades.
Meet your end!
Healing prayers forever.
Time to shine!
You can't get away from a moon elf.
I'll leave it to you.
I'm sorry. We... It's almost too tragic to bear. Why must such a war be waged?
Shh, someone's approaching.
This is no time to joke around. Keep your wits about you, everyone. And
See? Surely you believe me now?
The likeness to Tigreal is uncanny. Yet he...
I am Tigreal, captain of the Monian Empire Knights. May I ask who you might be?
Yield to the light!
Get off, Marlin!
Energy blast!
Keep it up. One shot. Violence is never the answer. I'm sorry. We meant you no harm.
This guy... Is he even...
It's ominous for sure. It gives me goosebumps.
I haven't the foggiest. I can't say I've ever been attacked by myself before.
Well, vague guesswork isn't going to be of any use here.
Who goes there?
What is it? You scared the life out of
I feel like somebody's watching me.
I don't see anyone around. Are you sure you're not overthinking?
Perhaps. This is no time to get distracted. We'll be...
Ready.
I cannot.
I'll leave it to you.
Victory favors brave hero.
A knight fights till the last field. I'm gonna
I keep it up.
Energy blast.
I just need to
Victory favors brave.
I'll return. Die! Back off! Am I weak?
Energy blast.
Keep it up.
So, this... Stand fast. This is...
get off our land.
Someone healing prayers for everyone.
Lift time.
Wasted. I need to be stronger.
Victory favors brave. Dare anyone challenge me? I came to adventure and to win. Dare anyone challenge me? Meet your end!
Healing prayers.
You can't get away from a moon elf.
Don't you look down on me! It's gonna cost me.
I'm not.
Layla's squad wins!
irrelevant. Never mind. I decide that you are.
Now,